Hello, I'm Elizabeth Abraham. Your one for C is 139. So here I want to explain my web experiment number 9. It's all about working with Ajax. So Ajax is used for creating a dynamic website, and the full form is Ajax is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. As I said, it used to make dynamic web pages. During my ninth experiment, it's all like linked with my eighth experiment. So in eighth experiment, I have already through PHP, I have made a database and I have done a login page, and then login logout page, and if it is possible, I'll update the password, and it's all about that. And in ninth experiment, I'll do like I'll check whether the username exists or not with the help of Ajax. So let's go to the code. Okay, this is my eighth experiment. Actually, I have just included in username. When I type the username, I'll type on key up function. Either I can use on key function, on key up, or on blur function, and it will call on key up event or on key blur event, and it will call a function check user. And this function I have removed over here, and check function check pass. Check user this function. So in confirm password, check user, and this check user is revoked over here. So for revoking check user, first I will do like XML HTTP equal to XML HTTP request. That means I am making a new XML HTTP object, and then I'll open that object. As you know, like for opening an object, there are three parameters. One is get or post, that is method. Then we have to type the URL, and we have to tell it is true or false. And true means asynchronous, false means synchronous. And when we'll send it using just a send function, and then it will check already state, and the function is called like if the state is ready, that is ready state is equal to 4, and the status is equal to 200. 200 means okay. Then I'll write like inner HTML this dot response, so the response will be shown over here. So if I use on key up means it will show user exists or user doesn't exist just as a type. If I use on the means when the control goes to next box only, it will show whether the user exists or not. So okay, then I have made a PHP. So in get URL I have to do my PHP where I can find whether the user exists or not. So the PHP is over here. Okay, PHP text like host is equal to localhost, username equal to root, password null. This is and database equal to company. Company I have done the previous database. These four things, I mean at least these three are mandatory for connecting. So connection object is equal to MySQL connect, host, username, password, DBA, or die if it is an error. After connecting, we have to select the DB name. Okay, so for selecting MySQLi, select DB connect comma DB name. So input I'm getting like get name. So we have to check whether the user is not there or not. So I'll get name. If input equal to null, then select star from users where if not equal to null. If null, we can check. If not equal to null, then we'll write a query like select star from users where username like input. Then a result, we are fetching those result. If those result is number of result is stored in rows. So now the rows variable has how many number of results are there, and if rows equal to 0, that means there is no user exists with the same name. If rows is equal to 1, that means the user name already exists. So when we execute and look it, okay, I have a username over here like Elizabeth. So even if I type ELIZ, it will tell that username not exist. ZAVETH. This means that username already exists. So this is the difference. I can even get L username doesn't exist, or SU username doesn't exist. So I can go to for the password. If it doesn't itself, confirm password ELSU, then email ID, gmail.com, and register. So successfully registered. So it's all about working with Ajax. Thank you.
Hey.